Can you hear me okay?
Yes, now we can hear.
Brilliant. Okay. Yeah, very well. Sorry, it's so busy. We're just dropping some furniture at one of our classrooms.
Maybe you are
So-
driving.
It's just busy. It might be easier. I'll be home in, say, 30 minutes or so. Would that be easier?
Okay.
Because it's quite noisy, the lorry.
Okay. Actually, Shamim talked with you about your business, about your Facebook page, about your website.
Yeah.
Shamim is my student. Actually, sir, we have a big agency in Bangladesh and we work together with team basis. Okay. So we have researched your page. Your page is
Yeah.
very low, something low follower, but this is very professional Facebook page.
Yeah, it's really quiet. It's really hard to hear. I think I'll have to leave it for just half an hour. It's so the noise off the lorries.
So please tell me your business system about your.
Yeah. Okay. So we provide tutoring for maths and English for children who are aged 8 to 10, and that's in this area that you have to pass exams to go to the secondary school, the next school. So we provide tutoring just for those exams, really. So that's the business. It's
This is any course? Is this any course?
yeah, the children pay to come to the tutoring sessions. The parents pay. I mean, ideally, what we would like to do is develop the online delivery of our course, so we can expand to reach London, and get clients from the London areas, because our costs are half of the price of people who live in London. So that's our business vision. But to do that, I need to advertise properly with Facebook or Google or whichever, you know, that's what I need to do.
And other social media, example, Instagram, you can use. Okay. So this is your online course for class 9 to 10, maybe.
Yeah, we work in classrooms. So in the local area, we have different classroom buildings, but
Okay.
we want to expand it to have to offer it to people across the UK as an online provision.
Whole UK is your audience, or just London?
Probably certain parts of London do similar exams to the area we live in England. So we could provide a list of areas to target.
No problem. You can share your targeted location. Then we
Okay.
will put your location. Okay. So have your Visa card or MasterCard?
We use whichever. We use usually just whatever's logged onto our Facebook account, probably a Visa.
And do you have a business manager, Facebook?
No, we're not that big.
No problem. We will create for you for your campaign.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay. And if your PayPal card, you can add your card with Facebook business.
Yeah,
manager.
we've done. I'm sure we've done that. Because I've done paid advertising already on Facebook, but it's more specialist than I don't have the time to look at it properly. So it's a waste of money.
A social media manager.
Yeah, basically, yeah. It's certainly something I would like to try.
No problem. So Shamim will help you, and we will also help you because we are a agency. We work
Okay.
together team basis. Okay.
Yes.
So how much budget for 1 month? You can test for 1 month for Shamim.
Yeah, I don't know what marketing budgets should be. I don't know these things. What would you recommend? What's the best suggestion?
Okay. If Shamim work for you, his service price per month $200.
Yeah.
He will schedule post. He will increase your follower, and he will set up your Facebook ads campaign with
Okay.
targeted audience, with targeted location.
Okay.
So 3 words: schedule post, some increase your follower, and main word, your paid ads campaign. $200 for Shamim.
Yeah.
And you can use paid ads campaign per day $10. This is
Yeah.
your ads campaign budget. 200 budget Shamim for his services.
Yeah.
And per day $10. This is your ads budget.
Yeah.
And monthly $300. So $300 for campaign, $200 for Shamim, total
Okay.
$500.
Okay.
You can test for 1 month for Shamim.
Yeah.
If you will see good result, then you can hire next month.
Yeah. Okay.
So have you a Fiverr account?
Have I got what? Sorry.
Do you have a Fiverr account? Fiverr.
Yeah.
So do you want to order in Fiverr, or you payment or PayPal account?
Probably do through Fiverr. What's your account on Fiverr?
So you have a if you have a Fiverr account, you can start work in Fiverr.
Yeah.
Okay. So Shamim will knock you in your WhatsApp, and he will send his Fiverr link, and you will
Okay.
message him.
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay. Thank you very much. And he will weekly 2 report. He will give you weekly 2 report.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Sounds good. Okay. Yeah. If you send me the details, that'll be great.
Thank you very much. You are a great.
We shall see. Yeah. Just if you send it over, then we can.
We want to increase your business day by day, and we will increase your sales, increase your everything.
Fantastic. Yeah. Brilliant. Okay. I'll wait to get the link, and we can go from there.
So Shamim, আপনি ওনাকে লিংক দিয়ে দিন, কেমন? So Shamim will give link in your WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. I'll get.
Okay. Roger Bolton.
Yeah, that's me.
Is your name?
Yeah, Roger.
Okay. Thank you very much. So thanks for joining with us, and have a good day. Have a good business.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. We'll speak soon then. Thanks very much.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Cheers. Thank you.
ক্লায়েন্টটাকে আপনি কিভাবে পাইছেন? এই ক্লায়েন্টটাকে কিভাবে পাইছেন?
এই ক্লায়েন্টকে অন্য একটা ক্লায়েন্টকে খুঁজ থেকে আমাকে পাইছি আর কি।
মার্কেট প্লেসের বাইরে আমরা যেভাবে পেয়েছি ওইভাবে তো?
জি, মার্কেট প্লেসের বাইরে থেকে।